I have seen many students telling like this, sir, wood is very difficult. I don't understand how to use wood properly. I can understand everything except wood. Do you really think that wood is very difficult to understand? But I don't think that wood is very difficult. If you really think, if you are really one of them who thinks that wood is very difficult to understand, then this video is going to be for you only. So you have to watch the video till the end. But there is a problem. This is part 2. We have already made a separate video on wood. That was part 1 and this is part 2. First of all, you click from the I button, okay, and watch that part 1 video, and then you watch part 2 video. That would be better for you, okay. So in that video we have discussed how to use wood in past में wood को कैसे use किया जा सकता है. But today we are going to talk about how to use wood at present as well as for future. Present to future, how to use wood from present to future. So this video is going to be a very important video, so watch the video till the end to get complete knowledge about it. हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है कैलाश और आप देख रहे हैं स्पोकन इंग्लिश मास्टर. So without wasting time, let's get started. See students, first of all you have to understand why people think that wood is very difficult, because wood can be used in past as well as present. So that's why people think wood is very difficult to use. But actually it's not very difficult. In part 1 we have already learned how to use wood in past, okay. For past habits we can use wood, or when we go directly from past to future we can use wood. We have already explained it in detail. You can watch that video. Today we will be learning how to use wood from present to future. First of all I will show you something. Let's see. देखिए wood part 2. Here what I have written, present to future. What is present to future? इसका मीनिंग क्या है? प्रेजेंट से फ्यूचर कैसे होगा? वी विल सी दैट वन. देखिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट आई रोट, फॉर एनी विश, ओके, वी यूज वुड. विश का मतलब क्या है कि हम करना चाहते हैं फ्यूचर में, ठीक है. देखिए फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, आई वुड लाइक टू टेल अबाउट दिस. मैं इसके बारे में कुछ बोलना चाहता हूं, ठीक है. मैं इसके बारे में बोलना चाहता हूं. आई वुड लाइक टू टेल अबाउट दिस. ये जो वुड लाइक टू है ना, ये विश है, एक इच्छा. In future what do you want to do? Now here matter is why I have written present to future. Suppose if I am telling it, when I am telling it standing at the present position, right? But when I will tell in future. In future I will tell, but now I am in present. So present to future. Okay, it seems to be a future sentence, but it is being told standing at present position. That's why we call it present to future. Okay, if I say I would like to talk to you, मैं तुमसे बातें करना चाहता हूं. कब? फ्यूचर में, अभी नहीं. बट आई एम टेलिंग अभी, मैं अभी बोल रहा हूं, है कि नहीं. बट आई विल टॉक टू यू लेटर ऑन. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड P2F सेंटेंस. P2F, प्रेजेंट टू फ्यूचर. देखिए प्रेजेंट टू फ्यूचर. आई थिंक ये आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा. नेक्स्ट देखिए, आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक टू यू. मैं तुमसे बातें करना चाहता हूं, ठीक है, फ्यूचर में. He would like to speak in English. वो इंग्लिश में बातें करना चाहता है, वो इंग्लिश में बोलना चाहता है, ठीक है. So he would like to speak in English. उसके बाद देखिए, राम would like to buy this car. राम इस कार को खरीदना चाहता है, ठीक है. खरीदने का इंग्लिश क्या है? buy. So राम would like to buy this car. राम ये कार को खरीदना चाहता है. Like again if I say she would like to come here, वो यहाँ पे आना चाहती है. I would like to go there, मैं वहाँ पे जाना चाहता हूँ. I would like to talk over phone, मैं फोन पे बातें करना चाहता हूँ. So there are so many sentences that you can create. Again I am reading for you. देखिए, I would like to tell about this, मैं इसके बारे में बोलना चाहता हूँ. I would like to talk to you, मैं तुमसे बातें करना चाहता हूँ. He would like to speak in English, वो इंग्लिश में बोलना चाहता है और इंग्लिश में बातें करना चाहता है. राम वुड लाइक टू बाय दिस कार. राम ये कार को खरीदना चाहता है. ओके, सो इन फ्यूचर वट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू डू, फॉर दैट रीजन वट यू कैन यूज वुड लाइक टू. अगर फॉर्मूला होगा तो ये जो है ये सब्जेक्ट है, वुड लाइक टू, उसके बाद टेल मीन्स V1, सब्जेक्ट प्लस वुड लाइक टू प्लस V1 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. ऐसे करके आप सोच सकते हैं, ठीक है. सो दिस इज वन. नेक्स्ट वी विल लर्न हाउ टू रिक्वेस्ट अ पर्सन यूजिंग वुड. कैसे रिक्वेस्ट करना है, ठीक है. सो लेट्स सी. देखिए दोस्तों, हाउ टू रिक्वेस्ट अ पर्सन यूजिंग वुड. देखिए, वुड यू लेंड मी सम मनी. क्या आप मुझे कुछ पैसा उधार दोगे? क्या आप मुझे कुछ पैसा उधार दोगे? मीन्स यू आर सीकिंग फॉर मनी, you are requesting that person to give some money to you. When you are requesting, that means what? You have to be polite. So to show politeness you can use would. ये past का use नहीं है, ये present का use है. Okay, means you are requesting. Okay, you are requesting a person to do something. Okay, next one. Would you go with me? क्या तुम मेरे साथ जाओगे? Means you are requesting a person. जाओगे कि नहीं? Would you go with me? अच्छा, अगेन, वुड यू गिव मी योर मोबाइल फोन फॉर सम टाइम? क्या तुम तुम्हारा मोबाइल फोन मुझे दोगे कुछ समय के लिए? मीन्स यू आर रिक्वेस्टिंग. ओके, वुड यू प्लीज कम हियर? क्या तुम यहाँ पे आओगे कृपा करके? यहाँ पे प्लीज भी यूज किया जा सकता है, यहाँ पे भी यूज किया जा सकता है. प्लीज ऑल्सो शोज पोलाइटनेस. ओके, सो प्लीज यहाँ पे यूज किया जा सकता है. इफ यू वांट टू बी मोर पोलाइट, if you want to request a person more politely, that time you can use please also. Okay, so I think ये आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा. Again I'm reading. Would you lend me some money? क्या तुम मुझे कुछ पैसा उधार दोगे? You are requesting. Again, would you go with me? क्या तुम मेरे साथ जाओगे? Again, would you give me your mobile phone for some time? क्या तुम तुम्हारा मोबाइल फोन मुझे दोगे कुछ समय के लिए? So would you please come here? क्या तुम यहाँ पे आओगे? So in this way we can use would. Okay, so we have learned 4 things. 2 we have learned in part 1 and 2 we have learned in part 2. In part 1 we have learned how to use would for past habits, for showing past habits. Okay, next we have learned how to use would from past to future. Okay, in place of will, how can we use would from past to future directly? We have discussed in part 1. In part 2, first of all we have understood how to use would for showing any wish, ichha. In future, what do you want to do? And last one that we have learned how to use would to request a person to do something. These all 4 uses are very much important and I hope you have understood it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and please hit the like button. So that's all for today. Again, we will meet and we will learn something new. So for today, thank you. Thanks for watching.